Welcome to Theme Park HD, where we bring you the latest and greatest in the theme parks, special events, experiences, and even some sports. Jump in with us as we close out April with the latest construction updates and ride attractions at the upcoming Universal Kids Resort here in Frisco, Texas. Let's go! As we soar over the park before diving in deeper, today we learn from Universal Parks and Experiences that tickets and hotel reservations will start in late 2025, which does follow our anticipated opening in May 2026, which is ahead of the FIFA World Cup that is coming to North America with Dallas as a host city in June. With the close-up to start our coverage today, we zoom in on the 300-room hotel that shows full enclosure of the 5 floors as well as the surrounding ancillary buildings. Making our way down to the east side of the hotel, we fly to the east corridor that has sprung to life between the hotel and SpongeBob Land, with buildings and walkways in place. It's still TBD on what will be in this corridor, with details coming from Universal later this year. Heading left into the park, we first take a look at the Trollfest Express coaster that anchors the gateway of Trollsland as we head west. Per Universal Kids Resort's management today, ride attractions will start going vertical next week, which supports the laid out rides in the storage lots, including the 2 roller coasters that we discussed today. Progressing down the newly laid concourse path in Trollsland, we take an up-close and personal look at the various buildings before landing on the Troll stage, as we have seen recent trademarks in place that support the live character experiences as well as Trolls cosmetics and dress-up here in some of these interior buildings. What's still in place for the Trolls stage roof, we'll likely see the covering in place over the next few weeks prior to the start of the seating and riser installations within the stage venue. With safety railing going around the perimeter of the Shrek Swamp Kart Speedway, we also see channel lines being dug into the track. Question: is this for the guide rails to go in, or are we really expecting to see free-range cars in this land? With extra time spent in the north central area of the park, aka Puss in Boots Land, we can see the key Spanish features going in place on the building facade with the bell tower and the mission style masonry. Additionally, we see the live entertainment stage that will be center view for this land. As mentioned earlier, ride attractions will begin to go vertical, including the coasters with supports and tracks being queued up in the storage lots within the next week or so, according to Universal management. Here in the area as well is what we believe to be the Vekoma family Calypso Coaster, with the ride queue building picking up speed along with this traction. With the recent rain, the Minions water rate progress has slowed from our last visit, and in fact has taken on several inches of dirt and debris from the heavy spring rains. If you're interested in seeing a low drone point of view, you can see the link below for a fun video perspective that we did last time. Making our way into the storage lot, we see the tracks and supports laid out for the Jurassic World Cretaceous Coaster. Say that 3 times. It's only a matter of days until this has a new home within the park. In step with the Jurassic World coaster, we see the Trollfest Express coaster laid out, with new support parts and cables now in the queue ready for takeoff. Bringing you a bird-eyes view as if you were coming in from the south to the park property, you can see how the Dallas North Tollway allows you 2 exits for eastbound access. Panther Creek Parkway on the southern border and Fields Parkway on the northern border, as well as 2 additional north-south roadways connecting in from US 380, including the extended Frisco Street North. Well, that's all she wrote on this final chapter of April coverage for Universal Kids Resort in Frisco, Texas. We're off to Epic Universe in Orlando, but we will bring you our next update from Universal Kids in early May, where we hope to share the beginning of the ride verticality. Thank you for joining us on this cloudy with a chance of meatballs day, with some of us under the weather. Make sure to like and subscribe to our channel, and be on the lookout as we continue to bring you new, fun, and exciting things. Let's go!